Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come to film about your new toys? Do you want? Let's go. Oh, Amy's shy. I don't know why she's so shy on camera. Let's go. No, she doesn't want to be a superstar. Yeah. Today I want to talk about birds' toys. This is a very important part of birds' well-being and enrichment. Toys are not just a luxury or something that you buy when you have extra money. Toys are as essential as food and vitamins because birds are very smart. They are like little kids, and while it can be really nice and entertaining, it has its downsides as well. Birds, and especially parrots, they have to be busy all the time. They have to play, they have to explore, and if you do not provide enough enrichment to parrots, especially such bigger breeds like African grey or Amazon, they can start not just destroy your flat or house, your furniture, your belongings. That's kind of, I don't care about this, but they start to self-harm. They may start plucking their feathers or self-harm in some other ways. And when bird feels lonely and bored for a long time, some processes can be just irreversible. That's why, for example, rescue birds that came from places where they were neglected, for example, when they were living for a long time in smaller cages, without going outside, without flying, without communicating with their humans or other birds, their flock members, and without even having a single toy in their cage, these birds, they often have syndromes such as like they can just stay at one place all day, not moving, not doing anything, and this is very bad, very unnatural for a bird. So that's why you should make sure your bird has plenty of toys to destroy, to play with. And today I want to show which toys I bought for Aimee. Again, I buy her new toys like every month or two. Yeah, I decided to try different toys similar to that type of toys that she liked. So she likes this kind of toys with this chewable kind of material, and she also really likes these wooden toys. This is a part of a toy. It was a bigger toy with many of these things, but she wasn't interested in this toy when it was like one whole thing. But then I just detached these things and gave her as a separate toy, and she liked it a lot. She chewed all these little wooden squares. She chewed them, and this is a last leftover. She's not interested in the circle ones, as you see. She likes the square ones. So that's why I tried to get her something similar to play with. And now I'm going to show you what I've got. Okay, so let's start. And this time I ordered from a different shop, and they packed it really well. They packed it in this bubble wrap. That's first time I get birds toys packed in bubble wrap. It's not very sustainable though, but well, I will reuse it for some other parcels anyway. So the first thing is this toy for chewing. This is similar to such material, but I'm not sure what's made for, how this is called. It's called Giant Munch Ball, woven willow, and it's a chew toy. So Aimee is a bit scared there because I'm making noise with this packaging, but I'm going to go and try to give it to her. She's hiding from all these scary new toys. So scary. This is so scary, Aimee. Look at this. What is this? Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, she likes it. Look at her. I didn't expect. Usually it takes some time for her to get used to a toy, but this one she liked right away. Yeah, you liked it. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Okay, the next one is this is a new toy. I mean, a new type of toy. I never ordered this one before. Popsicle sticks parrot food. So this is called food toy because she can hold it with her foot, and then she can chew it, and I think she will like it as well. I'll give her one of those later because now she's busy with that Munch ball, giant Munch ball. That was scary. What was scary? What was so scary? What was so scary? Is it too green? And I've got one more of those. I'm not gonna unpack it now. And the next thing I'm really excited about is these little bricks for chewing as well. These are wooden blocks and they have a hole in them, so I can attach them to a rope like this, and so I can kind of recover this poor toy. And the next item is these parts, toy making parts. And then this is a carpet, and you can use it as a just carpet to chew, because my bird is crazy about carpets. Because you know, I live in the UK and we all have carpets at home, so she's just obsessed. She all the time goes down to the floor and she starts chewing carpets, pulling out the fibers obsessively. Happily she does not swallow them, because you know, it's very dangerous if birds swallow some synthetic fibers. They could stuck in their crop and it could even end up fatal for a bird. So this kind of carpet is from natural material. It is here. Oh, so it says here it is a seagrass. You can give it to chew to your parrot, or you can put some other toys on it. You can attach them. For example, you can hang it on in the cage or outside of the cage on the play stand or somewhere and attach different toys to it. So this is like really cool thing, and we had one of those. Aimee completely destroyed it already, so this is another one. And the last but not least, this little box. It says Natural Nibbler's Nest Toys, and I like that it comes in this cute box. And what's inside? This looks delicious. I think Aimee will like it. So what's inside? There are two of these thingies. 2 of these. These are kind of on a softer side, so I think Aimee will display them very quick. One beautiful flower, another beautiful flower, and this little star, and one pine cone, and I have no idea what is it, but I hope it is safe for parrots. Obviously it should be. So this is this little box, and I think Aimee will like it a lot. And that's it. That's our today's birds toys haul. And I will also film Aimee's reaction to these toys later, because again, right now she is busy. I can even show you this little girl. She is here having fun, still having fun with this. Yeah, you like it. You like it so much. Such a good girl.